To buy crypto with Monzo, start by opening your Monzo app and navigating to the More tab. Then select Investments. If you do not see the Investments option, ensure your Monzo app is updated to the latest version. Next, tap on Crypto to access the cryptocurrency section. You will be required to agree to the terms and conditions before proceeding. Read through them carefully to understand the risks associated with investing in cryptocurrency. After agreeing to the terms, you will need to verify your identity if you have not already done so. This is a regulatory requirement to prevent money laundering and ensure the security of your account. Once your identity is verified, you can browse the available cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin and Ethereum. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to buy and tap on it to view more details. Enter the amount you want to invest, and confirm the transaction. The funds will be deducted from your Monzo account, and the cryptocurrency will be added to your investment portfolio. It is essential to remember that investing in cryptocurrency is high risk and you may lose some or all of your investment. Always do your research and consider your financial situation before investing. Additionally, be aware of the fees associated with buying and selling cryptocurrency, as these can eat into your investment. Monzo charges a small fee for each transaction, and the cryptocurrency exchange may also charge a fee. To get the most out of buying crypto with Monzo, keep your investments diversified, and consider setting up a regular investment to reduce the impact of market volatility. Finally, always keep your Monzo app and account information secure to prevent unauthorized access to your investments. By following these steps and being mindful of the risks, you can easily buy crypto with Monzo and start building your investment portfolio.